What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on your PC or laptop. So let's get right into this. So if you basically want this on your Windows device, the easiest thing you can do is to go to your search bar and type in Microsoft Store until you see this such. So over here, in here, we're basically going to just search at the top over here where it says this once it pops up, we're going to type in here and write CapCut and then search for it. Once you do that, you're going to basically find, or look for it at least, the app over here. It's a free app, so you don't have to actually pay for this. And then in here, you're going to just press the install button, and it's going to install on your Windows device. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you guys need to do. You do this, you can now edit software, do all that stuff. Like a lot of folks usually like using this app. So yeah, it's now here for the desktop version. So yeah, like I said, it's a free app. You can utilize its features, and yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please pass it up. Guys, and try to make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Mo Tutorials out. Peace.